Hey y'all, Matt Haviland here with Laguna Tools. Today we're going to go over some of the exciting new features on our wood and metal wide belt sanders. One of the changes we've made this year is we've added this pad here on the auto thickness gauge. Gives you a nice solid surface for putting your material, so you have quicker setup on your initial pass. One of the biggest upgrades we've made to the machines this year is our new Schneider Electric control panel. This control panel is going to make it really fast and easy to set up known thickness material. We're just going to click here on our menu. And you'll be set up and ready for your first pass. One of the other great features on this control is our ability to preset in 5,000th increments adjustments for your follow-on passes. So you don't have to go into the controller and put in an exact thickness. Just a simple one touch of a button and 5, 10, 15, 20 thousandths will automatically be adjusted by the machine so you can keep running material. Another feature that we thought was really important to add to this machine is our error record. Wide belt sanders have a wide variety of electrical and air sensors in them. If something goes wrong, in the past, the machines haven't been able to tell you. Now you have an on-screen display telling you what issue you might be encountering, so you can quickly and easily address it and get back to work. So it's not a new feature this year, but something our customers have always really liked about our wide belt sanders is how easy it is to adjust the tracking. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at that now. Over here on this side of the machine, we have a few more controls. Right here, you'll find your oscillation stroke adjustment, as well as the return speed adjustment. These come preset from the factory, but they're easy to adjust if you need to make any changes for your finish. And back here's our last adjustment. This is going to be our conveyor speed adjustment. This is adjustable all the way from 10 feet per minute to 60 feet per minute, depending on the material you're sanding. If you're interested in any of these features, they can all be found on our Pro Series wide belt sanders. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-234-1976 or visit us at lagunatools.com. Thanks for watching.